Northern Ireland has changed dramatically in the past decade and continues to punch above its weight on the world stage. But we haven't escaped the biting recession and global economic downturn.
Another name to the growing list of casualties caused by a slump in high street sales.
It's a tough day at Swindon for our people.
Are being blamed on global economic problems.
One of the biggest we've seen in years in terms of job losses. Does Stormont have any?
And bad debt is a major problem. A recent Chamber of Commerce survey found that a significant number of Northern Ireland businesses are trading without protection against payment default and could be one bad debt away from folding. But there are ways for businesses to protect against bad debts.
Good afternoon, Credit Brokers.
Credit insurance is a simple and cost-effective way for companies that are selling on credit to protect themselves against the potentially fatal financial impact of suffering a bad debt, which can be caused either by insolvency of the debtor during the credit period or simply a customer's inability to pay within the agreed contractual terms of payment. The main benefit for companies using credit insurance is that they can trade risk-free with the reassurance and peace of mind knowing that should any of their customers default in payment, they themselves will not suffer financially. Policyholders also have access to critical market intelligence to allow them to assess the creditworthiness of customers before they begin trading. Many insurers also provide a very robust debt collection service, which in many cases is provided free of charge. As banks' lending criteria becomes more and more stringent, our information would suggest that companies that have credit insurance have easier access to trade finance.
Hi, I'm Pamela McRae. I'm Financial Controller of McBurney Transport Group. We chose Trade Credit Brokers because they understood our business and they have given us an excellent service throughout the last 6 years. It gives us peace of mind whilst reducing the risk of financial loss to the business. We also use credit insurance as a monitoring tool. They have more up-to-date financial information on our customer base and you get that information quicker, which means we can make better commercial decisions.
Hi, I'm Kieran Hunt. I'm Financial Controller of Tato Group Ltd. Trade credit insurance is important for us as a business because it takes away the risk for our business, allows us to concentrate what we do well, which is crisps and slack manufacturing and providing a good service to our customers, but then we don't need to actually worry about the risk of the debt. So from our perspective, credit insurance is a very important part of our financial services that we employ. We've used Trade Credit Brokers now for a number of years. We've found them to be a company of integrity. We've valued their professionalism and the advice that they've given us over the last number of years. We work very closely with them on a regular basis, having meetings and updates, and we would like to continue working with them and using them in the future.
Hi, I'm Gerard Donnelly, Credit Risk Manager for Devonish Nutrition Ltd. Trade Credit Brokers have been our broker for the last number of years. I find that they give us the best service. They tailor the package and the policy to meet our individual needs, and this gives us a competitive edge when we're in the marketplace. In 2012 here at Devonish Nutrition Ltd, we had the opportunity to branch into new global markets under the brand of Devonish Nutrition International. We find credit insurance extremely helpful in this area. It gives us a confidence to move into these new emerging markets. We've got local underwriters operating on a local basis. They know the local laws, the local languages, and they can assist us if we have any issues.
Trade credit brokers are widely regarded as being the top independent specialist credit insurance broker operating in Northern Ireland and one of the leading independent specialist credit insurance brokers across the UK. We have access to the complete credit insurance market as we have agency arrangements with all the major underwriters such as Atradius, Coface and Euler Hermes.
Atradius are a global player within the trade credit insurance field. We provide trade credit expertise in underwriting risk throughout the global marketplace. We've got a very close relationship with Trade Credit Brokers in Ireland. We work closely with our brokers together with our customers to try and ensure that we are able to underwrite the level of cover that is required to enhance their business going forward.
Our relationship with Trade Credit Brokers is very important to us. We have a number of clients in Northern Ireland, and through their relationship with us and with the tradiers, they allow us to maximise the benefits that we can offer to our clients and the risk mitigation through the policy. The importance of credit insurance is that it actually triggers our facility, and we can't actually do transactions without it, so it's actually crucial to us in the way that we operate. And our clients benefit from that in the fact that they also enjoy the benefits of that policy should anything go wrong with the end buyer risk. The information that we get from the tradiers and through Trade Credit Brokers allows us to accurately assess a transaction, the risk within it, and also provide us invaluable market knowledge on the sectors and geographical spreads that we operate in.
Trade Credit Brokers can offer the highest level of commercial awareness, technical expertise and professionalism to enable us to deliver a totally unrivaled service to all of our clients.